Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the wild jungle skin on Fishit. So I got this for free, and basically you'll need to do the jungle event. So it's on the third quest, not like the third quest, the third reward. So the first one is coins, and then potion, and then you'll get the wild jungle skin there. Here's today's daily quest: catch 5 epic fish, catch a mythic fish, and catch 2 legendary fish, and catch 200 fish at Sacred Temple. Where I am is the Sacred Temple, by the way. So yeah, that's how you can get this super cute skin, and the best part is you don't need to pay for it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.